Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Moyer here, and I have two friends that are going to help me make a recipe for you today.
Allison
and
Natalie.
And tell them what we're going to make today.
Crunchy fruit kebabs.
All right, so we have everything already laid out for us, so it's going to be really easy. What did we do before we started our cooking today? What do we need to do?
We washed our hands.
We need to wash our hands for how long?
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Really important to make sure your hands are clean before you start to do any kind of food prep. All right, so let's see. Let's look at all of our ingredients. Tell them what we have today.
We have fruit. You can pick any kind of fruit you want. We picked strawberries, bananas, and grapes.
All right.
1 container of yogurt. I picked blueberry. I picked vanilla. And 1 cup of low-fat granola or crispy cereal.
Okay. What did we choose?
We choose
Crispy rice cereal. So we're going to use this one today because it's what we have at our house. But you can use any kind of cereal you have at your house and that you really like. Allison's going to show you how we cut our strawberries. Because we need to make sure they're in a little bit smaller pieces for our skewer sticks here, okay? All right, go ahead and show them how to do that.
You cut the green part off. Turn it so this part is on the ground and cut the top.
Good. All right, we'll add that to our bowl. All right, so we need to put a little bit of our yogurt onto a plate. So the girls are going to do that now with their favorite yogurt. All right, so let's put some of this on there. You can use a spoon.
I don't want to use it.
All right. You don't need to use the whole container, so we'll just put it away for now. You can eat that later for a snack. All right, and then Natalie's going to show you how we measure out a little bit of our cereal, and we will put it on our plate so it's easy to roll around with our skewers. Any amount. I just got that so it's helpful. Put it on your, nope, this one. Okay, let's try another scoop. Maybe just a little bit more on that one. Perfect. All right, let's give some to Allison. Scoop for Allison. Maybe a little bit more. All right. So now we're going to start assembling. This is the really fun part. All right, so you're going to get your skewer, and then you can choose, you can mix and match any of the fruits that you like. So let's put some on the skewers.
Be careful, the skewers are sharp.
They are sharp. All right, so when you get one of your pieces of fruit, you're going to push it down so you can fit more on there. All right, what other fruit would you like?
I would like some strawberry.
All right, you try to do a strawberry on there. Okay, can you push that? Being very careful of that sharp point. Another grape?
I'm doing a pattern with my fruit.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Me too. I'm not sure I can fit it all out there.
You want to do one more strawberry?
Sure.
Could we have these for breakfast?
Yes.
Could we have them for a snack?
Yes.
What about a dessert?
Yes.
Yeah, we could have them for lots of different things. All right, are we ready? So what we're going to do now is we're going to make sure that we roll. Maybe we'll put it up here a little bit. Can you stand up?
Sure.
Okay, so you're going to roll this skewer in your yogurt. Coat it with your yogurt.
What?
You can even
My
pick it up
strawberry's
and turn
falling
it
off.
like this.
Okay. This looks good.
Yep, just keep getting it all nice and...
These are going to be delicious.
You think so? Coated with the yogurt. And when it's good enough for you,
Good.
we'll switch And then we're going to put our crunchy cereal or granola on it.
Whoa!
Here, let's put it so we can see. You want to show them how you did it?
I just
Roll it in
around.
there. Put it in there.
Okay.
Remember, you can take your, you can kind of like dab it on there. All right, wait. Whenever we do our taste tests and healthy habits, we always wait for everyone to be done, right? And then we take our same, or a bite the same time. Okay, and then we'll do our vote.
Oh, it's popping.
All right, looks like Natalie's done now. We're gonna do our taste test. And go ahead.
That is good.
So, girls, when we're in our healthy habits start now lessons, if we like what we taste, we do a thumbs up. If we thought it was just okay, we might change a couple things. We go to the side, and if we didn't care for it, then we put our thumbs down. That's a polite way. So we have 2 thumbs up. So, what other kinds of fruit do you think you could use? What are your favorite fruits that you might add instead of what we chose today? What do you think?
Okay, watermelon maybe?
Watermelon would be a good summer fruit.
Coconuts.
Coconut?
You can't really do
Ooh,
coconut.
you know what we could do? We could put coconut flakes inside with our yogurt, so it kind of goes on the top.
That would be good.
Any other fruits that you might add?
I know. Banana's too big. Banana. Palm tree.
Palm trees.
They're in summer.
Yeah, but that's not a fruit. You're silly. All right, I want to tell you too that you can use any kind of flavor yogurt you want, and even a dairy-free yogurt would work with this. And you could use anything that's left over for another treat later on. All right, AJ or Allison,
Yes.
when you're done chewing, do you want to tell a joke?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell a joke? Okay, I'll let you guys tell your jokes.
Okay. Why did the orange go to the doctor?
Why?
Because he wasn't peeling well.
Oh, goodness. Natalie, do you want to tell your joke? Okay.
Why did the carrot cross the road?
I don't know.
Why? Because he had to go to the fruit store.
Oh, that's a good one, too.
Bye.